To keep your mind sharp and maintain cognitive function, here are 3 strategies you can incorporate into your routine. Number 1, engage in mental stimulation. Challenging your brain with mental activities is crucial for keeping it sharp. Here are some ways to do it. A. Learn something new. Pick up a new hobby or skill that requires mental effort, such as learning a musical instrument, a foreign language, or a complex board game. B. Solve puzzles and brain teasers. Engage in activities like crosswords, Sudoku, jigsaw puzzles, or logic games. These exercises stimulate different areas of the brain and promote cognitive flexibility. C. Read regularly. Reading books, articles, or even online blogs can help improve your memory, vocabulary, and critical thinking. Number 2, maintain a healthy lifestyle. Physical health plays a vital role in maintaining cognitive function. Adopting a healthy lifestyle can positively impact your brain health. Here are some key aspects. A. Regular exercise. Engaging in aerobic exercises such as walking, jogging, or cycling increases blood flow to the brain, enhances neuroplasticity, and promotes overall cognitive function. B. Balanced diet. Consume a nutritious diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Include foods known to support brain health, such as fatty fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, blueberries, turmeric, broccoli, and dark chocolate. C. Sufficient sleep. Aim for 7-8 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep is essential for memory consolidation and cognitive performance. Establish a consistent sleep routine and create a sleep-friendly environment. Number 3, stay socially and emotionally active. Social interaction and emotional well-being contribute to brain health. Here's how you can incorporate these aspects into your life. A. Maintain social connections. Engage in activities that involve social interaction, such as joining clubs, volunteering, or participating in group classes. Regular social engagement helps stimulate the brain and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. B. Seek new experiences. Embrace novelty by trying new things and exploring unfamiliar environments. Traveling, attending cultural events, or participating in community activities can provide mental stimulation and broaden your perspective. C. Manage stress. Chronic stress can adversely affect cognitive function. Practice stress management techniques like mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, or engaging in relaxing hobbies to reduce stress levels and promote emotional well-being. Remember, these strategies work best when implemented consistently over time. Incorporate them into your daily routine to maintain and enhance your cognitive abilities.